Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about call by reference in C++ programming. In call by reference, the reference of actual parameter is passed instead of the value. So any changes we make on the formal parameter will be reflected back to the actual parameter. Like in example here, we are using the reference of actual parameter in the function definition. Because we are dealing with the reference instead of the value, so any changes we make to the formal parameter will be reflected back to the actual parameter. And also we can make use of the pointers, where at the function call we are passing the reference of the actual parameter, and then at the function definition we are using one pointer. So because we are using the reference, so any changes we make to the formal parameter will have effect on the actual parameter. So in this example program we have one variable a with the initial value as 100, and then we are calling the change function and passed that variable a, and in the definition of the change function we are using the reference, and then we are assigning a new value to the variable. So because we are using the reference instead of the value, so changes we made to the formal parameter should be reflected back on the actual parameter. And then we have printed the value of the variable a to check if there is any changes made to the variable or not. So now I'm gonna save this program and I'm gonna run the program, and you can see the value of a is 200. So clearly the changes we made to the formal parameter has been reflected to the actual parameter, and the new value of a has become 200, and that's because of the reference. Because we are using the reference of the actual parameter, that way the changes we have made to the formal parameter has been reflected back on the actual parameter. Similarly, we can make use of the pointers, where whenever we are calling the function we have to pass the reference of the actual parameter, and the pointers has been used to receive that reference. And because we are dealing with the reference, so any changes we make to the formal parameter will be reflected back on the actual parameter. So if we just save this program and run it again, then you can see the value of a is 200. So the changes we make to the formal parameter has been reflected back on the actual parameter, and the new value of 200 has been printed. So this way we can make use of pointers to have call by reference in our program. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.